All rise. The room quiets as the judge enters. Another case. And familiar faces. Miss Drummer is back in court. But this time, the tension has a twist. As the judge takes her seat, something shiny catches her eye. A ring. The father smirks. I got married, he says proudly. But the judge isn't here for love stories. She's here to talk support. And this marriage? It's not going to change that.
Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1042, Drummer case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Ms. Drummer, you're back.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, and you're back. Wait a minute.
Probably a little bit more bitter today.
Wait a minute. What's that ring on your finger?
Listen, like I told
Y'all got married? So I don't have to do child support today?
No, well, see what happened was, I told
I'm
you,
confused.
She was jealous because I was dating.
Okay.
And so me and my young lady, we went ahead and we did that thing. We did it.
What thing is that?
What you think? I wiped up. That's why she's so mad.
Okay, so wait a minute. Is it with the woman that you have, or either of the women that you have the 3 kids back?
Judge, you don't have to judge your boy. No, this is the new lady that I was telling you about last time.
Okay, so the 3
The lady
kids.
doesn't even speak English, ma'am, and
As he talks, his story spins in circles. New woman, old children, and a wedding ring meant to impress. The judge cuts through the noise. Is the woman you married the mother of these children? She asks. He laughs. Nope, this is a new lady. The courtroom stirs. 3 children from other women. 1 brand new marriage. But love doesn't erase responsibility. And the judge makes sure he knows that.
good judge.
Listen, she is from, listen, okay, she's, from Venezuela.
They're not in love. This is,
Okay.
she's paying him to marry.
Afro-Venezuelan lady, you should see, just.
For a green card.
Okay, so let me just make sure that I follow you.
Yeah.
So the woman you married is not one of the women with the 3 kids you already have? It's a yes or no?
No.
Okay. And the 2 of you aren't married?
No.
Okay. This is interesting. All right, so I have the DNA results, and you are indeed the father.
That's all good.
I told you. He looks just like you.
Well, you know what? You and your brother look just alike, too.
Well,
okay?
I mean,
All right?
that's what they say.
Well, should they look alike if, they're related?
Listen, I don't have a problem taking care of my kids. My kids is laced with the best looking clothes. Have you seen my kids?
No,
Fly,
but you know
fresh.
what I do want to see, or what I want to draw your attention to are these documents.
Then the moment of truth. The DNA results are in. He is the father. The mother nods. She's known all along. He tries to brush it off with jokes, but the judge doesn't blink. You can talk, she says sharply, but I'm looking at numbers, not stories. The room settles. The playful tone starts to fade.
That you gave me so we can see how much your child support obligation is about to be.
Make
it quick.
I got a few kids. I just got back from my honeymoon. Funds are a little bit tight, so
she's paying him. He got the money. She paid him to marry
Listen.
him. For a green card.
We in a recession. It's a lot going on right now. I haven't been laying as much pipe as I
Right,
normally
and a
do.
lot is going on with you doing a whole lot of talking and not saying much of anything. So what I would like to do is,
Now,
and ma'am, I do not
and
need
your mama
you.
tell her she
Excuse
better
me,
still, refer
Miss
to my
Drummer,
kid.
Miss Drummer, I do not need your help. Okay, not at all. If
Sorry,
you want
Judge.
me to help you and get
my
some
mom out
support
of
going for you, then you need to not entertain him as much. Okay.
She just mad.
You understand that? You're just mad too.
Well,
You're just mad because these numbers are not about to look real good with your recession that you have going over there. But anywho, how much money do you make a year?
Before
The judge opens the documents. His income, his obligations, his reality. He starts to ramble about honeymoons, tight funds, and recessions. The judge interrupts him mid-sentence. You're doing a whole lot of talking, she says, and not saying much of anything. The mother can't help but react, but the judge quickly brings order. Miss Drummer, I don't need your help, she warns. The power in the room shifts back to the bench.
expenses and taxes.
That was not my question, sir. How much money do you make a year?
$65,000. But I have to pay for gas and pipe and PVC.
Oh,
It's so
okay.
much stuff that I have to pay for, Judge.
Right.
Oh, right.
I'm
Just
a
just
plumber.
like anybody else has to pay for things. So, $65,000 a year. I have your gross calculated at $5,416. That would bring your net down to $4,383.27. And how many, you said you all have 2 children. You have 3 previously. So, all right, based on 19%, you're gonna get a credit for that. Child support is, don't thank me yet. Child support is $832.
Oh, no, it's rigged.
And then,
No.
now,
Thank you.
Ms. Drummer, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
All right, how much is health insurance?
$236 for
You
both.
take them kids
For
down
both
to county
children?
hospital.
Yes.
Okay.
Then comes the money talk. How much do you make a year? The judge asks. He hesitates, tries to explain away his bills, but the judge presses. $65,000 a year. That's the number. No detours, no excuses. His words slow down. Reality sinks in. This is no longer banter. It's math.
$832 plus the $236 for health insurance, you're going to reimburse that. That comes out to $1,068 a month for
Thank
child
you.
support.
So her and Pickle and Pepper Man can kick it? That's all she gonna use it for? I buy all the kids clothes.
Judge, I have moved on. I have an electrician
He
now.
has too.
I don't even need no more plumbers.
Okay, well, guess what? And I don't need to see either of you anymore because I made my ruling. So is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further?
Can I speak to your manager?
Is there anything further,
Manager?
sir?
No,
If there's
it ain't.
nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Hi guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you witnessed in the Drummer case. There was mom, dad, 2 kids involved in this particular case.
The calculations roll out. Gross income, net income, adjustments. The judge reads each number with precision. $5,416 gross, $4,183 net. And with 5 children total, it all adds up quickly. The father slouches slightly. His new ring won't save him now.
Well, dad didn't believe that he was actually the father for one of the children. So before you can move forward and actually place him on child support, you do need to have DNA testing take place to see if he is actually the father. Once it was confirmed that he was the father, he was ordered to pay child support based on his income.
Your child support, the judge announces, is $830. Then she adds health insurance, $236 more. The total hits $1,068 a month. The father mutters something about peppermint and honey pickle, but the courtroom isn't laughing. This isn't about candy. It's about 2 children who need support. The mother watches silently. The father tries to joke, tries to charm, but the judge has heard it all before. He pleads about bills, recessions, and plumbing costs. But the numbers don't bend. The courtroom is no place for excuses, only accountability. The gavel nears its final strike. I don't need to see either of you anymore, the judge declares. Her decision is firm. Child support is set. The marriage doesn't change it. The jokes don't soften it. The father tries one last line. Can I speak to your manager? The judge doesn't even blink. Case closed. Later, the judge breaks it down for the viewers. Before child support, DNA testing is required. Once paternity is confirmed, support is calculated on income. That's the law. What began with laughter ended in hard numbers. 2 children, 1 obligation, no way around it. You can joke about love, you can brag about rings, but child support isn't a punchline. It's a responsibility. And today, it was enforced.